Hello guys, I wish you all good. And our lesson today about if you have list of numbers and you want to import them in your contacts, and you want to do this easily, so you can remove them later. We gonna import them using Google Contacts, and we can add mark to these numbers so you can distinguish them from other numbers. Okay, let's do it using Excel. This is our names and our numbers, and this is the word we are gonna add it to these numbers to distinguish them from the other numbers we have on our contacts. Okay, so the first thing we gonna do here is we will add to add dollar symbol as here, and C one. Oh, C1, this word, and also and A1 as here. Okay, we did it, and we just will gonna do as simple as easy for all of these number. And if you have hundred of numbers or thousands of number, you can do it. It's easily. Okay, I will arrange them now to be ready to import them. And here we go again, and the final thing is to export them to import them in Google Contacts. And we'll go here and save as this PC, and we'll choose this extension, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe in our channel and click on the like button, and also donate to our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.